First, we need to put the vinegar and the milk. Stir it up for a little bit. Like hot chocolate. Okay, all done. Put on side. I go see. Next, we need to mix the dry ingredients. Salt. Baking powder. Baking soda. Here's a bit more. While we're making cake, we need this next too. Yeah, whisk. My mama got it for my birthday. Drink to my. Okay, all done. We need to wait for the milk to get lumpy. Lumpy. It starts with L. I'm feeling. Yep, it's like soil. Like soil. I like soil. Oh, we forgot the sugar. Sugar, go in there. Mix. Tell you're making donuts, Mommy. Mommy, is it good? Okay. Oil and the milk. Okay, we're done. Now, vanilla in the milk. Okay, there. Mix. We're done? I'm making it all by myself. Making it all by myself. Making it all by myself. Here, now you can do one. I'll do one. I'm making smooth for Mama.
Yeah, smooth for Mama. It's what?
Shh. It's her birthday tomorrow. Be quiet. We're done. We're done. We're done. Okay, stop. It smells very nice. It's like dough. Is it dough? Okay. Well, I see the bottom. Ah, you got my something. Wow! Whoa, it got dirty. Ready to put it in the oven. Donuts are done. My favorite part. Take it right on. There's some more sprinkles, and here's some Oreos too. I'm putting Oreos. Keisha loves Oreos. And Chloe too sometimes. And this one too. I put this right here. Everything. Delicious donuts! It's also vegan too. Mommy, you have one?
Yes, please.
I'll have one.
Oh, here.
Thank you. Thanks for making them.
What do you want?
Oh, I'll take them all. Thanks.
No!
What? Get out of there! Get your face out of there!
Whoa. Good! Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Good!
Yes.
Good. Once you do
Do what?
I'm gonna watch it.
Watch what?
The video.
What video? What are you talking about? No, 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 no!